Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Kitengela, Acacia. Kitengela is one of the fastest growing towns in Kenya and it hosts more than a quarter of your celebrities. For you to get here, it will take you around 30 minutes from the CBD. That is on a good day. But on a bad day, it will take you up to an hour. Next to me is a 3-bedroom, 2-ensuite bungalow with a plinth area of 155 square meters. This home has been built on a 40 by 110 lot of land, and the price is 7.2 million. As much as I said that Kitengela is one of the fastest growing towns, it becomes insensitive when you are looking for an affordable, modern house. The designs tend to be archaic, the aesthetics are not appealing either, and the developers refuse to innovate. But thanks God, today's case is different. This home comes with a 4-car parking, and on my far front, you have your front yard. As you can see, the entrance porch is enticing, it is massive, and I like it that it comes with this greenery that gives some life to this home. I'll take you inside. From the entrance, the simplicity of this living room makes this home look very beautiful. The massiveness of these 2 windows makes this home look very airy, and the height of the ceiling makes you doubt if you are in a bungalow or a mansion. The living room comes with an extension on this side which will act as your dining area, and that can be denoted by the different lighting that you get on this side. The living room comes with its light on my far front, and it is complemented by these 2 side lights and some recess lights. The dining area will be an ample space for your small family, and this will fit a 6-seater to an 8-seater dining set. The dining area comes with a wash basin and a small mirror above it. This kitchen can be accessed through this access, and on the opposite side you have the access to the bedrooms. I'll show you the kitchen. This kitchen is not the biggest, though it will be sufficient for a small nuclear family. The kitchen comes with its sink area on this side. Above it you have the kitchen window, and the kitchen comes with upper and lower cabinets. This space has been reserved for your gas cooker, and this is where you will keep your refrigerator. The kitchen comes with a pantry. It is not the biggest, though it will be sufficient for all your dry foods. This door will take you to the employee quarters and the laundry area. I'm excited because this is the only SQ that we have shown in Kitengela that is ensuite. Come with me. The laundry area is on my far front. This is the clotheslines area, and the employee quarters is here. If you have more than 1 employee, these employee quarters will be accommodating. I like it that it comes with a floor-to-ceiling closet, and on my left-hand side you have its bathroom. The employee quarters also comes with a wash basin and a mirror to accompany it. I'll take you back to the main house. Follow me to the bedrooms section. This section comes with a common washroom. The first and the second bedroom are behind me, and this space comes with some shelves here for an extra storage. On my far front, you have the primary bedroom. We will see the common washroom first. The common washroom is just standard. It comes with a WC, a shower head, and a wash basin behind this door. Let's see the first bedroom. The first bedroom is ensuite. It comes with a floor-to-ceiling closet, and this bedroom faces the rear side of this home. This bedroom might be targeting the bigger kids because you have its bathroom here. On this side of the bedroom, you have a wash basin, a mirror, a towel holder, and a water closet. This other side has been reserved for your showers, and it comes with a shower head and a soap holder. The second bedroom is slightly smaller than the first bedroom. It is not en suite, though it comes with a slightly bigger closet, as you can see. On my other side, it comes with a mirror, and I like it that you can get a full view of yourself in this bedroom. The window to this bedroom is on my far front. Let's see the closet, and then I'll take you to the primary bedroom. The closet comes with spaces for the hangable clothes and a drawer here. You also have an extra storage up there. The primary bedroom is on my far front. Let's see it. The primary bedroom is the biggest compared to the other two. It comes with the biggest window, the biggest closet, and the biggest bathroom. This space will be sufficient for a king size or a queen size bed, and I like it that it faces the front side of this home, so from here you'll get the best views of the front yard. On this other side, the bedroom comes with a mini walk-in closet, and I like it that on the far end it comes with a dresser. The dresser is here. Above it you have an extra storage, and next to it you have some spaces for the hangable clothes. On this other side you have an extra storage for all your clothes. Let's see the bathroom. For 7.2 million, I expect a separate shower cubicle, but we don't have it here. The showering area comes with a shower head, a soap holder, and a towel holder. The opposite side comes with a wash basin, a WC, and I like it that this WC comes with a bidet sprayer. That's all for this bedroom. For 7.2 million, this is a worth buy, but this is not the cheapest house we have in this locality. We have another home going for 6.5 million Kenya shillings. Click up here and you will see it. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye-bye.